single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to James World. Welcome back to my home of locks and braids. As you can see, this hair is very short and I'm adding extension to it. That's because my client said he need a freeform dread. I want it to look more realistic, like a dread over 6 months or 3 months. And we are using extension, the human hair extension. As you can see, I'm just trying to see if I can achieve the exact look he gave to me. I haven't tried this before, like creating instant dreadlock to look like a freeform. I only know how to create locks and lock extension, but creating a lock extension in freeform style, I have not done that before. But I can do it with your natural hair. So don't hit the dial, don't go anywhere, just stay tuned and watch and see if we can achieve that look.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. And that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't right now. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't right now. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows.
I have with me my very good friend who is a learner. She's working with me today as an apprentice. She's also learning how to lock. This is her first time. I'm sorry about my camera. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry because it's late and my light stand have a foot, so I can't really do with it. So I'm just creating this video without a light. Actually, I never intended to publish it, but it was kind of, well, I love the outcome, so I decided to upload it. Hope you don't mind. Look at it. It's getting more and more realistic. Look more natural. She's a bit slow because this is her first time. Yeah, but by the time she do it over and over again, she'll get it.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't right now. You gotta go, baby. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor. Give me the stars like I don't right now. You gotta go, baby. I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows. Everybody knows, and I can feel your body shaking every
This is the finished look, guys. This is the finished look. I just have to spray it with some water and oil, and so it will be soft for me to comb out. The reason for the comb out is because he doesn't want the down to look like as neat or treated. He wanted to rough like an old red, the freeform stuff. So I'm going to comb the down out. Just do it gently to loosen the scalp and give it that finished look of an old dread, the Freeform Dreadlock. Guys, leave your comment below and tell me what you feel, if I did it right or wrong. I just hope I tried. To me, I tried. So give a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I love the look though. I love it. It's natural stuff. You can tell it's an extension.